What's going on, Coaster Crew Network fans? This is Tom Young here at Kings Island. Today we're, as always, going to check up on the progress of the 2014 project. Also going to show you some rides that open with the park that are still here. And maybe even a few things along the way. Grab an umbrella and a poncho. Might get wet today. Let's take a peek between the fence here. As always, got this creepy looking dude right here standing guard over the fence. But compared to last time, the footers are pretty much done. Got some workers, got some equipment. There's actually a lot of work being done right now. Got some stakes back there. And then some more newly completed footers. Some of the old midway there. Yeah. Some new, maybe old mounds of dirt, who knows. But yeah. Creepy. Got some owls stewing in the trees that say no camping. Also, got them in the bushes. And then got one in this tree and the other tree here. There's one. And then somebody tipped this one over. Oops. And as promised, here's some scarecrows I didn't get last time. On the footer. Good stuff. Alright guys, coming at you from the top of the Eiffel Tower. Let's see, from last video there's a lot more footers that are finished. And some that are being poured. There's a lot of work going on actually with bobcats and excavators and dump trucks and all kinds of stuff. Can't really see it too well there, but the footers by flight deck have been completed. And then some footers being poured behind Slingshot. Not too terribly much else other than the completed footers behind the teaser fence right here. My friend said she saw some supports on Facebook, but I'm not seeing any of those. Alright guys, coming at you live from International Street. A lot of the rides I'm about to show you came from Coney Island in Cincinnati. The reason they brought these rides to Kings Island is because Coney floods every off-season, sometimes a lot worse than others, and they figured, hey, let's bring them to the new park. All the rides except for the railroad, the two roller coasters, and this iconic structure, the Eiffel Tower, are from Coney. But the Eiffel Tower is an approximate 1/3 scale of the one in Paris. It's 314 feet tall. It's got two observation decks, one on top of the other. One at 265 feet, one at 275. And it gives you a pretty good view of the park and the surrounding area. I'm going to try to go up later and get some construction progress for you guys. Unfortunately, it's closed right now, but yeah, there's the Eiffel Tower for you. Here we are at the Grand Carousel on International Street. This is the oldest operating ride in the park. It opened in 1926 at the aforementioned Coney Island. It's a Philadelphia toboggan coasters carousel, and it's just a nice relaxing ride that is good for some chill time away from the coasters sometimes. Coming into Coney Mall, you're greeted by the entrance of the park's original thrill ride, the Racer. It's a traditional twin-track out-and-back coaster, wooden coaster. This is actually the one that started the second golden age of coaster building, so if you're here, pay homage by riding this. And an interesting fact, in 1982, they turned one side backwards with the trains, and they only intended to do that for one season, but it was such a hit that it continued up until 2007. So for 26 seasons, you can ride this forward or backward. Alright, coming in further to Coney, you got Scrambler, a traditional amusement park ride. I really like this one. I don't do too good on spinnies, but this one gives you a break on the edge. It's a traditional amusement park ride that is good for the family. And then right across the midway, say hi, Darlene. Hi. Good lady right there. Right across the midway, you've got Monster, another family-friendly traditional amusement park ride. This one takes you up and down and spins you around too. I only really ride this one a few times a year, but it's pretty fun. The final ride in Coney Mall that opened with the park in 1972 is Dodge 'em. It's a traditional bumper car ride. I only ride this one a few times a year, but it's still pretty fun going. Especially if you feel like getting some money or you're stressed from a hard day at work. Good stuff. Coming into Planet Snoopy now. Coming across Race for Your Life Charlie Brown. It's a traditional log flume ride. I actually had to ride this for the first time today to report on it for you guys. I rode by myself, but it was interesting to say the least. I haven't ridden too many log flumes. Got a little rough at points, but it was still fun. But I highly recommend it if you've got some kids that want to get wet and have some fun. And we're now at Linus's Beetle Bugs, which is right here. It's just a traditional kiddie whip ride, which is a miniature version of the adult ride. And kids look like they're having a lot of fun. I would ride it. I like the one with strickers, but there's a height limit here, so I gotta watch the kids have fun. It's alright though. Just a little ways from Linus's Beetle Bugs is Peanuts Off-Road Rally. It's a kiddie carousel that's car themed. Got the spinning umbrella on top. If your little guy or girl likes cars, send them on this one. Looks like they're having fun. The final ride that's still here today that opened with the park in 1972 is the Kings Island Miami Valley Railroad. Supposedly it's haunted by a little girl in a blue dress called Missouri Jane that was featured on Ghost Hunters. It's just a nice relaxing ride. It used to have animatronics themed to the Old West on it before the water park was installed, but now it's just a nice relaxing ride from here to the water park and back. I highly recommend it. I love trains and amusement parks. Alright guys, we're going to end with a skyline shot of Kings Island. As always, look us up on Facebook, facebook.com/coastercrew, YouTube channel Coaster Crew, and In the Loop, Monday nights at 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. We will see you on the Midway.
Are you ready?
We've got some Coaster Crew members from Virginia here now. Okay, I've told this is funny. I've been told this is funny.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I didn't do anything. I didn't work. Mine didn't work.
apparently Nikki's is defective. Oh well. Michael's having a blast.
Mine didn't work.
Oh.
Why don't you just shake it? Shake it.
Oh well.
Take your shoes off, are you not?